Cartel.
Hey, I don't come again, oh. Ah, yes you have. Who did these people always sit down for front? These are our judges. Yeah, to the left is Dan Foster. Dan Foster? Yeah, he's an American. This guy? Na American? Yeah. Na lie. What do you mean? You not see head? This na eagle na. Nna, kedu ka ọ dị? And that's Yibo. Area. You know him? Na China. And na militant. Fine lady. Dog. Marry me now. Dog, behave yourself now. Why? Is she the American too? No. Kate is a Nigerian. You're from Cross River, right? What? You mean say she the Calabar? And so what? I don't die. Why? What's the problem? And why are you shaking? I beg, make we dey go house. I don't understand. You want make she take me make tete soup? What do you mean? You no know? Know what? Canada dey chop dog. And thank you very much from me and Dog.